Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts in Clash Royale. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash Royale game on your device and then wait until it is fully loaded. Once the game is done loading, you will be taken to the home page, which is the battle screen by default. Now, once you are on this page, you will be able to add various accounts to your game. If you haven't already added a Supercell ID, then you will see the option when you tap on the menu icon underneath the gem at the top right. If you see a Supercell ID button, this means that you have not connected your Supercell ID to your game. So the account that you're currently using is your Google Play Games account. Now, if you already have a Supercell account and log in by tapping on the login button and using your credentials, then both your Google Play account for Clash Royale as well as Supercell ID will get mixed up. If you don't want that, then just go ahead and open up your phone settings and then tap on apps. Now from the apps page, search for Clash Royale and tap on it. Then simply scroll down and tap on storage and then tap on clear data and then the delete button to delete your currently saved game data. After you do so, you can go back to the game and then tap on the menu icon and tap on Supercell ID to add your Supercell ID to the game. Now you can go ahead and log into your existing Supercell account or register to create a new one, and then just go ahead and log in to your Supercell game ID. After you do so, you will be able to use the Supercell ID account with your game. Now, while this is a tricky and long process, this is the only way that you will be allowed to use multiple accounts in the same game. And there you have it. That is how you can switch your accounts in Clash Royale. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.